Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Jason and Ashley, I'd like to thank you for being here today to celebrate this special moment in their lives. My name is George Vollmer. I'm Ashley's uncle. I'm Jason's friend, and I'm very honored to be here today to preside over their marriage. We are gathered here today to celebrate the union of Jason and Ashley in marriage. This gift of marriage is very special, and this ceremony presents us with a wonderful opportunity to celebrate the love shared between Ashley and Jason. The first recorded evidence of marriage ceremonies uniting woman and man dates back to 2350 before Christ in ancient Mesopotamia. Over the next several hundred years, marriage evolved into a widespread institution embraced by the ancient Hebrews, Greeks, and Romans. But back then, marriage had little to do with love or with religion. Today, we should try to remember that a wedding is a symbol, a heartfelt symbol, but a symbol nonetheless. This ceremony is not magic. It will not create a relationship that does not already exist and has not already been celebrated in all the moments Ashley and Jason have made to each other, both large and small, in the days since they first met. This ceremony is a symbol of how far they have come together and a symbol of the promises that they will continue to make to each other throughout their lives together. The love that Jason and Ashley have now started cultivating back when they were 17. They would enjoy going for rides in Jason's many trucks, venturing down to New Hope, just across the river from where they stand today, which has always held a special place in their hearts. Now their connection is even deeper as they share the love of Ava, who has stolen their hearts. Jason and Ashley have a bond that has formed through almost 2 decades of friendship, through both happy times and at times struggles. And they couldn't be more excited to unite in marriage here today before their family and friends, and to make their love for each other official from this day until the last. The vows that you are about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know, all those things that we've promised and that we hoped and that we dreamed. Well, I meant it all. I meant every word. Look at one another and remember this moment in time.
My whole summer.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What did he get you, Ash?
He gave me a heart locket with Ava and mine and his picture in it.
Closer than your skin and bones, I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you.
Baby, look at you.
You look great. I know, you like?
Yeah, dude, look at this dress.
Do you love it?
I do, baby.
Look at the
wow.
back.
Look at you.
You look really nice. Yeah.
My dress.
I like your dress. Did you do my shoes?
Yep.
Oh my god, babe. So, I was crying. That was so sweet.
Before this moment, you've been many things to one another, a friend, a fiance, and a parent to Ava. But now you shall say a few words that take you across a threshold of life, and things will never quite be the same between you. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, this is my husband and this is my wife. Marriage is a journey, and therefore what you promise to each other today must be renewed and reaffirmed tomorrow and for all the tomorrows to come. Jason, take Ashley to be my lawfully wedded wife, my constant best friend, my faithful partner, and my love from this day forward. In the presence of God, our family, and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, and in life as well as death. Do you promise to love Ashley unconditionally, to honor and respect her, to laugh and cry with her and cherish her in this life and in the next?
I do.
Do you, Ashley, take Jason to be your lawfully wedded husband, my constant best friend, my faithful partner, and my love from this day forward? In the presence of God, our family, and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, and in life as well as death. Do you promise to love Ashley unconditionally, to honor and respect, to laugh and cry, and cherish in this life and the next?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of New Jersey, I now pronounce to you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Ashley Finney.
Guests of honor, your bride and groom, let me hear Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Ashley Finney, everybody.
I could not imagine my life without you. I feel like our strong bond since high school has been instantaneous. It's been full of so many crazy adventures, and I'm just so blessed to have such a loyal friend. You just always let me be myself, and through thick and thin, like our relationship has just grown stronger. Jason. Honestly, cannot remember the first time I met you. But every time I was with you, every conversation, every moment, I saw a light in you that I knew Ashley loved. When I think back on our life, like, there's been moments of awesome, fun, happiness. There's been moments of real life, right? So when I think through my life, some of the darkest and hardest times, you were there, and some of the best and absolute highest moments, you were there. So all of the things that little girl dreams are made of, right, they still hold true for you today. A love to walk with you through the highest of high days and to hold you securely through the harder days of life that are inevitably to come. A warm and inviting home, a family to carry on your name and your dreams, and a happiness beyond your wildest imagination. And I'm thrilled to see these dreams coming true with Jason. It's so easy to see the sparkle in your eye when you look at him, and it makes me believe in those fairy tales that we believed in all those years ago.
It's truly an honor to witness two of your closest friends become husband and wife. It's an honor to have Jason and Ashley in my life. They are special and so real. They love each other so deeply, and if you're sitting in this room, that means they love you too. Over the years, I've had the pleasure of watching them grow as a couple and become the amazing people standing before all of us tonight. So to Jason and Ashley, I love you both from the bottom of my heart. You are my friends, you are my family, and you are truly special. And with that, I want to thank you for being who you are. I wish you a lifetime of happiness and well-being. Congratulations. Cheers.